Welcome to Mitra classes. Today I am going to discuss about physics subjects, chapter 12 of class 10, electricity. Okay, now I am going to start. What is electric current? The rate of flow of electric charges is called electric current, or we may say it may be defined as the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in unit time. SI unit of electric current. SI unit of electric current is called ampere. It is denoted by capital A. What is an electric current? A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric current. Circuit. Sorry, it should be electric circuit, not current. What is the current? Through the cross section of conductor or wire. If Q be the charge flows across any cross section of a conductor in time t, then current I. जैसे कि हम लोग जानते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एक सबसे पावरफुल चीज़ है कंसर्निंग ऑफ पावर कंज्यूम. होल वर्ल्ड इलेक्ट्रिक पावर का ही इस्तेमाल करता है इन केस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स या डोमेस्टिक पर्पसेस. सो इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर स्टूडेंट्स, स्पेशली फॉर क्लास 10. आप इस पर ध्यान दीजिएगा, हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. Through the cross section is I is equal Q by T, that is current is equal charge by time, that is small n small e by small t, where small n बराबर होता है number of electrons. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. It is denoted by capital C. What charge does an electron possess? An electron possesses a negative charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. What is the unit of small quantities of current? Milliampere. That is 1 small m a is equal 10 to the power minus 3 capital A. Or in microampere 1 mu a बराबर 10 to the power minus 6 a. What is an ammeter? An ammeter is a device or instrument. It helps to measure electric current. What is a voltmeter? It is an instrument or device by which we can measure potential difference. About electric charge. A body is said to be negatively charged if it gains electrons. Example, an ebonite rod rubbed with fire acquires negative charge. A body is said to acquire positive charge if it loses electrons. Example, a glass rod rubbed with a silk cloth acquires positive charge. Quantization of charge. The total charge acquired by a body is an integral multiple of magnitude of charge on a single electron. This is known quantization of charge. Charge on one electron is equal minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Charge on one proton is equal plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 C. 1 coulomb charge is equal 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 or 625 into 10 to the power 16 electrons. Properties of electric charge. Like charges repel while unlike charges attract each other. Electrical charges are added algebraically. Electric charge can neither be created nor destroyed. It is conserved. Electric charge is quantized, exists in discrete packets. Flow of electrons and electric current. Electrons always flow from high density to low density. Thus, electrons flow from negative terminal, that is region of excess electrons, to positive terminals, that is region of deficiency of electrons. Electric potential and electric potential difference. Electric potential is defined as the amount of work done when a unit charge moves from infinity to a point in an electric field. Electric potential difference is defined as the work done per unit charge in moving a unit positive charge from point B to point A. Numerical derivation of electric potential difference. Let W be the work done in moving a charge Q from point B to point A. Then the potential difference VB minus VA is VB minus VA is equal W by Q, or V is equal W by Q. Thus 1 volt is equal 1 joule by 1 coulomb. 1 volt बराबर हो जाता है 1 joule by 1 coulomb, that is 1 joule per coulomb. इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट डायग्राम, ये सर्किट डायग्राम हमने दे चुका है. आप देखिए जो डायग्राम है उसमें सेल की एमीटर भी है, बल्ब भी है, ओके, और सर्किट भी दिखाया गया. इट इज़ ए सिमेट्रिक डायग्राम विच represents the relative positions and connections of various circuit components represented by their symbols. Symbols of some commonly used components in circuit diagrams यहाँ दे चुके हैं हम. अब इसको ध्यान से देखिएगा. components और symbols अगल बगल में ही है. An electric cell का it is given. Similarly, a battery or a combination of cells also given. Open circuit given. Closed circuit given. A wire joint given. Wires crossing without joining given. Wires joints given. Safety device given. Electric bulb given. Connecting wire given. Resistance given. Rheostat or variable resistance given. Ammeter given. Voltmeter given. Galvanometer given. Name a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a contactor, that is electric cell or battery. What is meant by saying that the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? It means that 1 joule of work is done when a charge of 1 C, that is coulomb, flows between the two given points. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery? Charge Q is equal 1C, potential difference V is equal 6V, so energy E is equal work done, that is W, is equal QV, that is 1 into 6, that is 6 joules. A current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by a filament of electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through the current. Current I is equal 0.5 ampere, time t 10 minutes, that is 10 into 600 seconds. Since charge Q is equal I into t, current into time, so electric charge 0.5 into 600 is equal 300 coulomb. Ohm's law and resistance. Ohm's law gives a relationship between current and potential difference. Ohm's law, it states that the electric flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across its ends while temperature remains unchanged. Derivation of Ohm's law. If V is the potential difference applied across the ends of a conductor through which current I flows, then according to Ohm's law, V is directly proportional to I, that is V is equal IR, where R is constant of proportionality called resistance. Therefore, I is equal V by R. It is clear that current is inversely proportional to the resistance. factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. It depends on length of the conductor, second, areas of cross-section of the conductor, and third, nature of the material of the conductor. That is all about today's class. Students, if you have any problem, then you can contact in the comment box. Thank you.